This isn't going to impress Johnny. First I get spots. Then I get stressed so I get more spots. Finally, a treatment that takes away my... and smells nice. It's really gone. Now I can go on my date with Johnny. Now try Crystal Skin Perfecting Wash. Keeps away the spots before they can make me stress.